Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by placing the image as a linked file so Word references the original. In Word, choose Insert, Pictures, this device, select the file, then click the Insert arrow and pick Link to File. You do this because linking keeps your document smaller and lets the image refresh when the source changes. Once linked, make sure the original file stays in the same folder or a predictable relative path, otherwise Word will lose the connection and show a placeholder. Once the image is linked, manage it through Edit Links to Files under File Info. You can also access it via the ribbon quick commands. Use Update Now to refresh the image immediately or set automatic updates so the image syncs whenever you open the document. If you need a different file, choose Change Source to point Word at a new path. You do this to maintain version control and to ensure collaborators see the latest art without embedding large files into the document. Finish by updating every linked item and saving the document so recipients see current images. If recipients won't have access to your image folder, embed the image or use Save As to include all content. Breaking links embeds the file. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Check the Edit Links dialog. Verify the source path, confirm the network drive is mounted, or relink the correct file. That single troubleshooting step fixes most problems when Word shows a missing image placeholder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.